That does not work at all. Yo, niggas should have got the iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah, for real. This is what I be doing. This is my thing. I come out here to these dark ass, fucking can't even see nothing roads, where no police can fuck with you, no pedestrians, no random cars and shit. You can just experience pure, straight six ITB bliss. You feel me? So yeah, I'm a real purist in that sense. Where like, you know, I just need the open road and shit. I don't really need too much. Niggas be fugazi, but I need chains, I need fucking bitches, I need club shit and clout. I don't need that shit, bitch. If I was ever rich, I just get better cars to come out to fucking come to these roads and shit. So, you know, nigga got a little bit of bread. It's working hard and shit. Working smart. But, you know, I don't got that white man wealth. But when I get that white man wealth, it's all about making my people better. Showing my people that you can get it without no fucking, you know, basketball, no rap shit. Just coming out to these roads and just experiencing life, you know? I don't give a fuck about too much social shit. I don't give a fuck about the clout. I just need the clout for the money, you feel me? So, nigga really out here. Can't see dick. About to go up into that little... Fuck, you can't see it, but there's like mountain shit, you know? When I go up this road here, there's like hella mountain shit all up there. Twisties, type deer signs and shit, you know? That's what I fuck with. Just let them ITB sing. Let the music blast. Shift them gears and chilling, you know? Everybody's tweaking with the COVID shit and like... I'm just happy the roads are empty type, you know? So, if you're like me, if you fuck with me, hit that subscribe. Hit that like. Share it. Fuck with me, you know? Just a real one out here. Not too many like me on YouTube, so if you like me, if you feel me, if you want them work hard niggas, and, you know, trying to stay out the way, stay out the bullshit, and trying to get you and yours, fuck with me, feel me? Because I'm finna show y'all niggas some shit. So, gang. Bow.
Look at the boogers, the baguettes. Young nigga got diamonds on his neck, yeah. Bad bitch. Bad bitch, she giving me neck. Look at the boogers, the baguettes. Young nigga got diamonds on his neck, yeah.
Damn, I really need some lighting, but nigga really, I'm at the top of basically Hamilton Mountain. They call this shit Halton Hills. And like, you see the whole city line. You can see my hand good, but you can't see no shit. The whole city line of Hamilton here. Nigga really on like a downhill Touge and shit. Goes like super twisty over there. Nigga see the moon and shit. Jeez. Nigga, this spot like the 60s type Lover's Lane, nigga. Yeah, so nigga just here, I'm just changing my oil. So since I got my rod bearings done, I think it's been just under 5,000 kilometers. Some track use, bunch of Touge obviously, so I think it's time to change the oil. It's my little setup. Always get 2 points of reference or 2 points of contact, whatever. I'm not really a fan of jack stands. They're cool. It's kind of an inconvenience. 2 jacks, that's better. It's easier, faster, blah blah blah. And like, get a bigger one that's meant for like trucks and whatnot. Then, you know, I think you're pretty good. So, obviously we're using Liqui Moly 1060. Got my man filter here. I actually got a deal on these. I bought like 10 at a time or something. Because apparently the place where I got it from, their supplier was basically, that was like the last of it, so it was like a crazy deal. All them shits. And then also for the E46, I got a sick deal on a bunch of filters as well. I think the company was closing or like stopped. They weren't gonna supply Rock Auto anymore, so I got a bunch of Male. Not Molly, haha. Bunch of Male filters. Honestly, they were like $1 each. It was crazy, so I got like a shit ton. So, that's how we do it. Change your own oil, boys. A little bit of dirt from them tailgates and shit. Gotta clean the engine bay. So, gonna change the oil and then drop it in. So yeah, dropped it. Changed the filter, drain the oil. I just put about three, what is it, liters? Nah, 3. Yeah. Man, so what I do, I put 3 liters and then I drop in some MOS2 and then I put the rest. Probably doesn't do anything, but it helps you, like, you know, try to like do the oil level and whatnot. I don't know, probably doesn't make any sense, but MOS2. Honestly though, I stand by this shit. From the maintenance records on my car, I could see that it's basically been treated with this all its life. And I was at 201,000 kilometers with some track use, and literally my rod bearings were like fresh. There was like no copper. So anti-friction, MOS2, 1060, change oil frequently, warm up properly, and you should be good. It's not like the S60, S65? I think it's the S65. It's not like the E92M where, you know, it's just they inherently just chew up the rod bearings just by design. This, you can at least somewhat prevent it. So, good maintenance, and your money will be well spent. You club cruise today. Ugh, let's get this started up, bitch. Bow. Extra crispy. Bro, I don't know about you niggas, but Casada, this shit is essential, my nigga. Fuck Chipotle. Chipotle's hit and miss, my nigga. The Casada. Okay, so Chipotle's hit and miss for me because the Casada in my area is like super good. And it's got this one chick that's been there for like years. So you know, she holds it down. Casada all day, bro. Fuck a burger and eat. That bitch ass boy there. You are not slick, bro. Yo, you're not slick. What kind of hiding spot? You're not slick, bro. Yo, look at me. I'm going the opposite just because I see you, fam. You try to speed trap people. Like, that was just a little back corner, you know. People probably came getting their food Sunday, a little excited, you know. Hit a little gas. And you're just trying to give somebody a ticket. Like, niggas don't even have money for tickets nowadays. Like, fuck off. See, I appreciate police officers, but I don't appreciate that police officer. Cause don't be trying to speed trap motherfuckers on a Sunday goddamn like morning. Like Sunday morning, bro, relax. Don't be trying to speed trap niggas on a Sunday morning. Type disrespectful. Big type disrespectful. Big type trying to get your quota too tight. Like fuck. So y'all pulled up, made it. Mandoms are here. It's windy as fuck. Probably can't hear anything. Oh my god. Where's the drone at? Look at that thing.
For people, dogs, or dog people, or some shit.
Look at the drone. I was complaining about now having a 35 sidewall on the 255. They pretty much look the exact same. I'm pretty sure they feel a lot different. Interesting. Alpine white. Hard top. Gang. Just the red eyes. Jeez.
Yo, Kevlar made this. Pull up Beamer, I be skirting, yeah. That bitch twerking, she be working, yeah. She want Molly, she want Zanny, she be tweaking, yeah. I want cash, I need cabbage, I need green, yeah. Puff and draw while I'm fucking on a bad bitch low. When I'm done, hop up in the Wraith and chase cash flow. In Toronto, bitch, I'm steady dodging potholes. In the foreign, driving like a fucking asshole. Skirt. I'm swerving in lanes by myself, acting so goofy. Sitting back thinking, goddamn, my life like a movie.
This man here,
Hey, buddy.
Mr. CSL intake.
it is. Found it. Ah. Here, this is how you return to sender right here. When I was in my time of need and I really needed this, I returned it to this van here. How you doing, buddy? You good? Nice to see you, bro. Now I heard the full throttle fucking CSL box, yo. Now I finally heard the full throttle, man. Jeez. Yeah, shout out to the bro for hooking me up with a Blackstone. I just did my rod bearings like not so long ago, so obviously this is gonna come in super handy. Shout out to the bro.
So yeah, we got about like 12 of us out here. Gonna be dope. All the carbons rolling together. Coincidentally. Oh no, man came with his Subaru. Shout out that bro though. You know, it's all about the experience. Oh yeah. Oh, he's the setup guy. Should I kick it sideways or no? A big kick it sideways. Ah!
So funny. That's why I look like on roads, eh? Ah, man, look super clean. Ah!
I'm from the beast of belly. Ain't nothing you can tell. Bow!
Hey, all the PESO bitch. Make that boom bow shit. Yeah. Hey. I'm coming off the top, spitting, ain't no written guarantee, I won't stop. I'm sitting back, smoking on the finest pot. Y'all niggas gon' have to kill me just so I stop. I'm riding through the city, mental block, spitting bullets on my lip. I'm fucking on a bag of bitch, she got some ass but no tits. Nigga, that's some real shit. Driving so fast, came home doing 170 in the AM. My brody riding with the KN. F44 all on my ways. I told that little bitch fuck up on my fucking face. Driving low and slow like it's not a race. She a bougie bitch, don't like nut up in her face. My phone got Siri, I don't even use the hoe. Cause I don't like to talk to hoes, I just fuck on hoes. I order up the pasta with the cheese from Domino's. Y'all niggas never heard these flows, going off the top and crazy. When I leave your shawty, she just wanna call me baby. Asking if I'm staying, and I told her maybe. Cause I don't wanna sleep in Daddy's bed. I just want the head, scheming on the bread. Remember, I ain't had shit, niggas steady stacking, bitch. That's some natural shit, niggas is some maggots and some assholes. Thumping on the clutch and switching lanes like an asshole. Can't even call these niggas out. I'm rubbing on the titties, put it in the bitch mouth. I can only spit real shit. Off of the top, it sound greasy cause a nigga saucing. Just like Gucci said, either got the sauce or you don't got it. Niggas hard.
So boys, we done fucked up. Fucking for the Ferrari man's rented out the track today until 3, man. Fuck.
Off the pack, I told that little bitch I got no time, just relax. I'm off that perky, I need this shit just for my bag. I'm sitting in the Cadillac, I'm smoking on thrax. Got your bitch beside me, riding through the city in that foreign big body. Push him on the shit, and I know I'm in the party. Young nigga be riding through the city off that Molly. Yo bitch right beside me, then he holding on the Tommy. Holding on the AK, told that little bitch put that shit away. Just like TK, that nigga going away. 5 to 99, goddamn.